My research is on improving challenging behavior by building classroom. Henderson states that social justice is significant because there are children who suffer in visceral ways for the lack of equity and access they experience in their daily lives at school. I plan to first make a difference in my first grade team. My goal is that we will each have a morning meeting and use the workshop approach daily. Basically, the morning meeting is where every student is greeted by their first name, first thing in the morning. Students will be told about what routines might not be the same that day. Maybe you'll have an assembly. Maybe you are going to be absent for part of the day. Anything that is unusual, therefore they can go ahead and know that this is going to happen. Basically, Cares for Kids is an initiative that I learned about several years ago when I worked in Jefferson County. And I feel that the social justice that Care for Kids morning meetings develops will promote stronger positive relationships. I also feel that we should be using workshop. A lot of teachers now use workshop during writing time. This is when we first explicitly teach and model. Then we complete the we do process, which is when the kids are trying it with a partner, but the teacher is still right there to be able to guide, push the kids as far as they can, and scaffold for any students that need that as well. After students have had ample time to complete it with the teacher, then they are gradually released to work on their own. This method builds student confidence. At the end of workshop, students share daily. And my goal, again, is not just to do a writing workshop, but to do a math workshop, a reading workshop, a social studies workshop, all day long, so that way we're building this community all day and not just during recess or during morning meetings. Students gain more from this share time, from listening to one another. The group interaction also, again, it builds community and respect for one another. Noddings says that we must be continually reflecting, discussing, and evaluating what we are doing to see if our objectives and procedures are compatible with our aims. Knowing this, my team will initially meet to establish our aims. This is going to require active listening and sharing of ideas on our team's pedagogy relating to classroom environment in, of course, a respectful way. I work with 3 highly qualified teachers who share a common vision. We all believe that teachers are the biggest influence over student behavior. And of course, we care about the students. We enjoy seeing them every day. And we like what we do. Du Bois says, children learn better from what you are, rather than what you teach. My team and I share this same pedagogy. After establishing our plan, my team will meet frequently to determine if our aims are being met. As caring professionals, we will ensure not only our goal of improving student behavior, if it's being reached, but also our aims such as student achievement and positive attitudes towards learning. Through reflection, we will discuss classroom climate, we will collaborate on problem areas as we move forward, and we will support each other with our individual success and stories. I'd like for each of us to keep a weekly journal of reflections and activities that were met that week. The discussions and the journals will serve as our assessments. Thank you.